Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sync HubSpot tasks to your calendar. This integration ensures that all your scheduled tasks and meetings appear directly in your preferred calendar app, keeping everything organized in one place without having to constantly switch between platforms. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account where you manage your tasks and want the calendar sync to be active. After signing in, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the navigation bar. Here, click on the settings icon. This icon is your gateway to all the configuration options within HubSpot, and it's where we'll set up the calendar integration. Once you're in settings, you'll see several tabs on the left side. Under the General tab, locate and click on the option named Calendar. This section is specifically designed to manage how HubSpot interacts with external calendar applications, making it the perfect place to establish your sync. You'll now be directed to the calendar menu. Here, you'll see a button labeled Connect Your Calendar. This is the key step that initiates the connection between HubSpot and your external calendar. Go ahead and click on it to start the integration process. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your calendar provider. HubSpot supports both Google Calendar and Office 365 Outlook, so select whichever platform you use for managing your schedule. Once you've made your selection, confirm the connection. This tells HubSpot which calendar service to sync with. After confirming, you'll see a button that says Connect Your Calendar or something similar depending on your provider. Click this button to begin the actual linking process. This step establishes the two-way communication between HubSpot and your calendar. At this point, you may be prompted to grant certain permissions. HubSpot needs access to your calendar in order to add, update, and sync tasks automatically. Review these permissions and grant them as requested. This is a standard security measure that ensures the integration works smoothly. Finally, save or confirm the integration settings to apply all the changes you've made. Once this is done, your HubSpot tasks will automatically sync to your calendar, keeping your schedule up to date across all platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.